Hey YouTubers, I'm Dr. Eric Smith. I'm back with another do-it-yourself project. I have the VEVOR Garage interlocking tiles. They're rated at 5,500 pounds per square inch. So more than enough for a nice car or a truck. The reason why I went with these on Temu is the price. Now I did some research, and right below this commentary of me talking are the prices of the competitors. And with this VEVOR interlocking garage tiles, they are the best. Notice before you start locking them, here's what I did. You see I got everything lined up first. And before I interlock them, because I want to make sure I had enough. So for me, this is I did a 25 by 10. Notice I've changed my design. The reason why it's easier for black tire tread to blend in with black on this side. But if I want to check for leaks, I have silver in the middle. So for me, I like to keep it simple. You can cut these edges around here if you want to. I chose not to. It'll make it easier for me to get the vacuum cleaner hose down in here to get dirt and debris out, rather than going all the way to the corner. So it's your preference if you want to do that. To me, notice I have a mat that's underneath my tile. And the reason why I have that, it's an 8 feet, 10 inch wide by 22 feet long mat. The reason why I have this mat is because notice, listen, I'm walking across my tile. It's not as loud. Imagine my car driving across it. Now I want you to listen to tiles that's not on the mat. And I'll let you listen to when I walk across it. Pretty loud, isn't it? I'll do it again. Okay, YouTubers, you see I'm moving right along. Here's a tip. Once you have everything lined up, the best way to work these tiles quicker is going from left to right. And I'll show you. See, once you get it lined up, see what I'm doing? I have it in there. You put this in here like this. And then you go like this. See, get everything lined up. Like this. And then you don't have to lift up the tile. It's actually pretty quick. You get everything lined up. I said just like this. And then watch what I'll do. Just step on it. And then do it like this. And when you hear that snap, it's locked in place. And all I gotta do is get it lined up like this. And see how I snapped it in place? If you go in the middle and try to work it in the middle or work on the right end first, you're gonna have to lift up tile. And you don't wanna do that. If you go from left to right like I recommend, you're gonna be done at this rate. I'm looking at 90 minutes now, maybe less. Again, I'm leaving my space so I can vacuum and spray as well. And I'll vacuum the critters out that died if they come in here and hit my pesticide barrier. As you see, it looks very, very nice. Did a little touch at the end, and I can't wait to get my car in. Yeah! Okay, YouTubers, it does work. One thing I didn't notice, to accommodate the weight of the vehicle. You have to give it a chance to flex out. So what you're gonna have to do, I found out, is to put it at least an inch off the wall. When you have it an inch off the wall like this, it will accommodate the weight and that allow it to spread out. It looks just like this and it is perfect. Remember I told you about getting it black tires with black tile? You see the reason why I did it? All I gotta do is wipe underneath there if I want to, but it is perfect. I got plenty of room. So I wanted you to see for yourself. It does work. I highly recommend you do get that mat to keep it quiet. When I pulled in, it made little or no noise at all. So I'm Dr. Eric Smith. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening.